Hello guys, we have Redmi Xiaomi 9 LCD replacement. The screen is not working, is black. I'm going now to remove the SIM card tray first. Then you can detach the housing from the frame using any plastic tools, or you can use your fingernails. You can remove the back without having any problem. Let's remove all the screws from the top shield. You have to unplug fingerprint flex cable, then you can remove the shield bracket. It's connected to that shield. Unplug the battery. We have this screen flex cable. Unplug it. We have also to remove the loudspeaker, remove all screws, and then you can unplug it because the screen flex cable goes under it. Now we will remove the screen or the LCD. You can heat the screen with 2 degrees for about 30 seconds, 40 seconds, and then we will use the suction cup to remove it. Seems this device has been suffered liquid water, so you have also to check the device if there is any water or any liquid leaked to some pieces, because if we have some liquid leaked for any pieces, we have to let the customer know before we can proceed. Perhaps the device got damaged somehow, so we can't take responsibility to fix it in our own. So as you can see, I'm also going to check the flex cable that of charging to see if there is under it any liquid or any corrosion. Alright, seems everything is fine. The liquid seems just leaked to the LCD and didn't reach the subboard or the main board. Alright, I will put everything back as it was. Then I will proceed to clean all over the frame to be ready to put the screen on and test. The better you clean, the better you can fit the screen on. It's very important. You have to clean every dust and all the adhesive. After we are done, we can put the screen on without the adhesive, just to check the screen if it's fit on position and it's working without any problem. Plug the screen flex cable, then you can plug the battery. After that, you can power on the device. Alright, the device is working. I don't know the password, but I'm going just to test if everything is perfect. Now I'm going to assemble the screen. Move both stickers, and the second one then push the screen flex cable into its position. You have to push it all the way in. Don't damage it, just all the way in, and then that's it. I didn't push all the way in, so I'm going to remove it, and then I will push it very good, because the flex cable may prevent the LCD to be fit on the frame. If you can imagine that, if the flex cable is near to be on the edges of the frame, it will be a gap between the frame and the LCD. So we have to push it all the way in, and that's it. Now we can put the glue. I'm using a black glue. It's from Factory Relief. It's very good. You can use it. We don't need to put too much glue. We can make a line all over the frame. Just be careful from the sensors, the air speaker, and the camera. Avoid these places to not block the view. After we are done, we can now put the screen on and assemble, and that's it. Now we can assume our job has been done. If you have any questions, you can just write it on the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.